As a project management expert, I'm often asked about the tools and platforms that teams use to stay organized and productive. One platform that consistently comes up in conversation is Basecamp. It's a popular project management and team communication software known for its straightforward approach and focus on reducing the noise often associated with collaborative work. So, which companies actually use Basecamp? While Basecamp doesn't publicly release a comprehensive list of its users, for obvious privacy reasons, we can explore the types of organizations and industries that find its features particularly beneficial. By looking at testimonials, case studies, and general industry trends, we can paint a clear picture of the Basecamp user base. Understanding Basecamp's core strengths. Before diving into the types of companies, it's essential to understand what makes Basecamp appealing in the first place. Its core strengths lie in centralized communication. Basecamp provides a single place for all project-related discussions, announcements, and updates, replacing scattered emails and instant messages. Task management. It offers simple yet effective tools for creating to-do lists, assigning tasks, and tracking progress. File sharing. Teams can easily share and organize documents, images, and other files within each project. Scheduling. Basecamp includes a calendar for marking milestones, deadlines, and events, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Automatic check-ins. This feature allows for regular, asynchronous progress updates, reducing the need for constant meetings. Client collaboration. Basecamp provides features for securely inviting clients into projects, allowing for seamless feedback and approvals. These features make Basecamp a versatile tool suitable for various team sizes and industries. Its emphasis on simplicity and clarity often attracts companies looking for a less overwhelming alternative to more complex project management software. Types of companies using Basecamp. Based on available information and general understanding of the platform's strengths, here are the types of companies that commonly use Basecamp. 1. Small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. This is arguably Basecamp's sweet spot. SMBs often need a project management solution that is powerful enough to handle their needs, but not so complex or expensive that it becomes a burden. Basecamp's flat pricing structure, regardless of the number of users, is particularly attractive to growing businesses. Its intuitive interface also means teams can get up and running quickly without extensive training. Example: a small marketing agency with 15 employees managing multiple client campaigns would find Basecamp's project organization, task management, and client collaboration features invaluable. They can create separate projects for each client, track deliverables, share drafts for review, and keep all communication within the relevant project. 2. Creative agencies and design firms. Collaboration and clear communication are paramount in creative industries. Basecamp's ability to centralize feedback on designs, manage revisions, and keep everyone aligned on the creative vision makes it a popular choice for advertising agencies, graphic design studios, web development firms, and video production houses. Example: a web design studio working on a website redesign project can use Basecamp to share mockups, gather client feedback directly on the designs, assign development tasks, and track the progress of different website sections. 3. Freelancers and remote teams. For individuals working independently or teams distributed across different locations, Basecamp provides a virtual workspace that fosters communication and organization. Its asynchronous communication tools, like message boards and automatic check-ins, are particularly beneficial for remote teams working across different time zones. Example: a freelance writer collaborating with a remote editor and a virtual assistant can use Basecamp to manage writing assignments, share drafts, provide feedback, and track payment milestones. 4. Nonprofit organizations. Nonprofits often operate with limited resources and rely heavily on effective collaboration between staff, volunteers, and board members. Basecamp's straightforward interface and flat pricing make it an accessible and cost-effective solution for managing projects, coordinating events, and communicating with various stakeholders. Example: a local charity organizing a fundraising event can use Basecamp to coordinate tasks among volunteers, track fundraising progress, share event-related documents, and communicate important updates. 5. Educational institutions and training providers. Schools, Universities and training companies can utilize Basecamp for managing internal projects, coordinating curriculum development, and even facilitating group projects among students, depending on the specific needs and privacy considerations. Its calendar and file sharing features can be particularly useful in an educational setting. Example: a university department organizing a conference can use Basecamp to manage logistics, track speaker submissions, coordinate marketing efforts, and communicate with attendees. 6. Software development teams, smaller teams, or specific project management needs. While many large software development teams opt for more specialized agile project management tools, smaller teams or those working on specific types of projects, e.g., website updates, internal tools, might find Basecamp's simplicity and focus on communication appealing. They can use it for task management, bug tracking at a basic level, and team discussions. Example: a small team developing a mobile app might use Basecamp for managing design iterations, tracking feature implementations, and coordinating marketing efforts around the app launch. 7. Consulting firms. Consultants often work on multiple client projects simultaneously, requiring strong organizational skills and clear communication channels. Basecamp helps consulting firms manage client interactions, track project timelines, share deliverables, and ensure that all team members are aligned on project goals. Example: a business consulting firm working with several clients on different strategic initiatives can use Basecamp to create separate project spaces for each client, manage tasks related to each engagement, and share reports and recommendations securely. 8. Marketing and public relations agencies. The fast-paced nature of marketing and PR requires efficient collaboration and the ability to manage numerous campaigns and deadlines. Basecamp's features for task management, file sharing, for creative assets and press materials, and client communication make it a valuable tool for these agencies. Example: a PR agency managing a product launch for a client can use Basecamp to coordinate media outreach, track press coverage, share press releases, and communicate with the client on progress. 9. Event planning companies. Organizing events involves managing numerous details, vendors, and stakeholders. Basecamp helps event planners keep track of tasks, manage budgets through linked documents or integrations, share vendor contracts, and communicate with clients and team members effectively. Example: an event planning company organizing a corporate conference can use Basecamp to manage venue logistics, speaker coordination, catering arrangements, and marketing materials, ensuring everyone involved is aware of their responsibilities and deadlines.